Abandoned S3 buckets used to spread malware. Welcome back to another video from TuxCare, where we give you the latest news on Linux security. Cybersecurity researchers at Checkmarx have warned that abandoned Amazon Simple Storage Service buckets can be used to spread malware. It all started with an NPM package named Bignum. It had the ability to download files from an Amazon AWS S3 bucket when installing it. Unfortunately, those that got Bignum unwittingly downloaded malicious files designed for critical users. Many open source software packages rely on S3 buckets to distribute binary files. If an S3 bucket is abandoned, it can still be used as a distribution point for malicious binaries. The problem arose because the file package's source was an abandoned S3 bucket. Despite the fact that the bucket was finally destroyed, existing applications continued to use it to deliver data. When the malicious actor realized this, they created a new S3 bucket with the identical name. They did this by replacing the legitimate file package with a malicious one that harvested user data and transferred it elsewhere. The malicious binary file can then be used to steal user data, such as login credentials and credit card numbers. Software developers are being urged to check their dependencies and make sure that they're not using any open source software packages that are vulnerable to this attack. If you want to learn more about this story, be sure to check out the link in the description. And for more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.